This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, then pull the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unclip the safety prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the holes on the bonnet underside. The battery negative lead connection is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Undo the stud and disconnect the battery negative lead from the left-hand suspension tower. Cover the end of the lead to prevent accidental reconnection. Uncover the negative lead, then refit the stud and tighten it securely. Detach the end of the prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the slam panel. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.